Hello, this is the sound check of the Corona 3 accordion, reference 17178. I got a request for this video, so I'm just going to go through the tuning on the right side and left side. You'll notice that on these two inner rows, the middle and the inner row, that there is what in German is called the Gleichtone. That means that it's the same tone on push and pull. That's used for what they call styrish music, and this accordion seems to have been purchased from the factory that way, because on the inside the reeds all look like they were factory installed. There were no replacements as far as I can tell. So I don't know if that makes a difference for you, but that's something to keep in mind. Here's the bass side. I'll try to play a song on here. That's about as good as I can play that song. Okay, thanks for looking. If you want any more information, just let me know. That's the 17178 Corona 3 accordion.